Hey folks, I'm Dennis. Thanks for watching my video. I saw one of these things on Instagram. It's called a AP700 airlock or AP700, and what it does is it's a gun that'll shoot the nails out of pallet wood. So I bought one and I'm going to unbox it, set it up and give it a try, and we'll bring you along with me. Here's how it comes. It comes in a box like this. It's made to remove nails from 0.06 inches or 60 thousandths to 160 thousandths, which is basically a 20 to a 10 gauge nail. Operating air pressure 80 to 120 psi. Doesn't really say anything other than how to clear a jammed fastener, clean the tool, lube the tool. Operation just says attach a high pressure air hose to it, regulate the air pressure and test it to see if it punches the nails out. So not a whole lot there in the instructions. So you've got a Allen wrench and a compressed air tool oil. That's going to be a spare anvil to punch the nails out with. That's mine. I dropped that in the box earlier. That's the air fitting you need. You need a male 1/4 inch MPT compressed air fitting for the back side of the gun. You have to get that yourself. That does not come with the gun. And then the gun comes in a slip. So that's the tool, and pretty simple. Other than that, there's no adjustment on it, just a trigger. And yeah, it's got a rubber grip, which is nice. Feels pretty good in your hands. So first, let me get this attached. I've already put some thread tape around it, some Teflon tape. The Allen wrench that comes with it is to take these cap bolts out in case you need to change the anvil. This comes, the nozzle's put in there backwards just to save space, I'm sure. And we'll take that and just cut the tip off. 2 or 3 drops down in the tool, like so. About all it takes. Let that run down in there. It'd be nice if it included a cap for the oil bottle, but that's okay. I don't have any idea how violently this thing will shoot nails out of this pallet wood, so I've got a moving quilt, and I'm going to put it on the floor underneath where I'm going to shoot these nails out, just in case they come out with some force. I don't want them to ricochet off the concrete floor of my shop and hit me, so hopefully that'll kind of dampen their movement if they come out that quickly. So I'm going to take the gun and just attach it to my... So yeah, pretty much just sounds like a brad gun when it operates. You can, I don't know if you can catch that on camera or not, but you can see that anvil pop out. Well, there you go. If you just hold the trigger, it stays out. So you can see it. That's how the thing operates. Just to be on the safe side, I am going to put on my safety glasses. But anytime I'm handling pallet lumber, I put on a pair of gloves. And these are a very ratty old pair, but they keep splinters out of my hands. Let's try this bad boy. So you just slip it over the nail. Cool, it didn't shoot it out, got it out that far. That's alright, that makes me feel a little bit better. I was a little concerned that it was going to shoot it out of there like a shot, and that would be a little dangerous. So pretty much, even if it's bent, that's the other thing I was interested in. Like these nails are bent. I'm just slipping it over the nail, pop, shoots it right out. Now that one did come out. So it just depends, but they're not, well, that one did not all the way. So I'd almost rather them do like that, where they just are, you know, now they're kind of finger tight. I can either pull it out with my finger, or I can just hit it with a claw hammer to get it out. Try these same way. I'm going to not point that at my foot. Those that removed them, so they're coming out and they're hitting the floor, but they're not coming out I mean, I wouldn't want to be on the downrange side of that, but they're not coming out with such force that they're dangerous. They just hit the floor and fall, so that's okay. Probably depends a lot on what kind of wood you're shooting them out of. This is hardwood, like this looks like a piece of ash. This is a piece of oak, so if you were shooting them out of pine, it might be a different story. But I'm impressed with the fact that, like, you can see how bent that nail is. Well, that one's pretty loose, but you can get it on that nail, and it seems to pop it out pretty good. And that's awesome. That's a whole lot better than having to bend these things by hand, pull them out. Ones that are like this are real easy. They just pop right out. And I'm gonna like that. That's gonna save a lot of time pulling nails out of these boards. You still have to go through and look for staples and everything else on these boards and little nails, but at least you can get the big pallet nails out pretty easy like that. So I'll have to use this some more to to see how it does on longevity, but so far so good. I like it. It's going to save me a lot of time on pounding out nails. What I've always done before is take a pair of pliers and a hammer and start straightening out the nails and pounding them out, and it takes forever. This just shoot them right out. Even if it doesn't completely remove them, it gets them out far enough to where they're easy to just pull out with a pair of pliers or a hammer, claw hammer on the backside. So anyway, that's what this is. This is this Air Locker AP700. I'm going to leave a link below in the description where you can get it through Amazon. That's where I bought it. I want to say it was about $59. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos and see what you like. Please give me a like below if you would, and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you back soon. Thank you. God bless you.